Hey guys, what's going on? This is Ramonster. I'm going to do a little review on this Johnny Lightning, the spoilers. It's the 1966 Dodge Charger. It's a new one that came out. There's another one too, it's an orange, but I like this one a little bit better. It's blue and white. Interior's blue, or the interior's white. Yeah. I was seeing if it had rubber tires. Doesn't look like it, but we'll check it out. I was also looking for a number. I didn't really see a number, but if you guys can let me know, there's one stamped down here. Let me open it up. Hold on. If I can get it. Here's the card. This thing's pretty sweet. Nice. See the license plate? On the car itself, it has the same thing. I thought that was pretty cool. Alright. Oh, you know what? Look at, can you see it? On the plastic it says 198. Okay, I also noticed that I just noticed that, but I noticed that same number on the car itself, right here on the lower right hand corner. Now, I'm not really familiar with Johnny Lightning, but if that's the number of the car, please let me know. It does not have real riders. But it does have metal on metal. Those wheels are pretty sick on it. I can't really complain. I mean, it's really nice. It's detailed pretty good. It's really nice, actually. It makes me want to get the orange one now, so I'm going to go back, see if it's still there. So, that is nice. I don't know if you guys can see the interior in there. I'm gonna start collecting more of, well, I have been collecting Greenlight, but I'm gonna do some more of the Johnny Lightning. They do come up with some nice stuff. So, there it is. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Overall, I like it. Not bad. I always like about Greenlight and Johnny Lightning how they have the whole details down here, like the mufflers, exhaust, transmission. See an oil pan there. You know, that is pretty neat. I like how they do that. So, I think I'm gonna stop collecting the Hot Wheels slowly but surely and keep these guys. But yep. Oh, hope you guys liked it.